What are you doing? I think if the sun would come out today, it would probably be a little warmer at 55.
It would. It's probably not.
But tomorrow's supposed to be really sunny, so
Oh, good.
yeah. Yeah, I need to soak it up before I care.
For real.
Get me motivated. Bah, Logan, don't do that. Come on. You want to climb the slide again? No, you want to throw rocks? Is that fun? Okay, now you're getting into the mud part. Logan, yuck.
Oh, no. Your hand's going to get cold and wet.
Yes. Logan, find a different area to pull piles from. Look at it, you're getting into the mud. Yuck. Get up. Yuck. Oh.